All right, guys, we're going to convert from factored form to general form using the area model. Some people like to use FOIL, but today we're going to use the area model. Now, you'll see over here, I've got 2x squared plus 5 and x minus 3. I love to start with my binomials over there in the cell so I can look at the graph, because we're going to come back to that graph in just a second. So as we begin this, the first thing I like to do is set up the area model. I pick one of the binomials, let's take x minus 3, and I put it right there on the side of the area model, and I draw a line right down the middle. After that, I go to the other binomial that is there. In this case, it is 2x squared plus 5. Now, as we look at 2x squared plus 5, you're going to notice we're missing the linear term x. So I'm going to put a 0x plus 5. And what I do with that is I'm going to take that, I'm going to put it all the way across the top, and I'm going to write 2x squared plus 0x, I do include that, plus 5. Once I have that, I go ahead and I start blocking off my squares. At this point, I just start multiplying the binomial. So you're going to see 2x squared times x. We are multiplying. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. I have 2x squared times negative 3. So I bring this value down to that negative 3 here. I have negative 6x squared. And then I just continue. X times 0x is 0x squared. 0x times negative 3 is just 0x. Okay, and then I have 5 times x, which is 5x, and 5 times negative 3, which is negative 15. Now, the one thing that I like to do is I like to go ahead and add things up at the diagonal. You'll notice the diagonal has all the like similar terms. So I have a 2x cubed. I have 0x squared minus 6x squared, which is negative 6x squared. I have 5x plus 0x, which is just 5x. And then I have negative 15 right here. And that tells me that my final standard form or general form equation is 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x minus 15. Now, the one thing I do every single time is I verify my work. So I'm going back to that graph like I started with, and I'm going to type this in. 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x and minus 15. Check it out. It overlaps that graph. That tells us we did everything we needed to do correctly. Great job, y'all.